Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine. Today I want to talk about a minute point of driving on motorway. Usually people drive in second lane and they continue to drive in that lane as long as that lane is free. But I want to add another aspect to that. Whenever you find that the first lane is free and you can see that in the third lane there is some vehicle, just leave the second lane and come to the first lane, because if you continue to drive in the second lane when there is some traffic on third lane, it is just a chance that the third lane car might turn to your side and it might have a collision. So just in order to avoid the collision, it is advisable to always try to go to the first lane if it is empty. Okay, remember, if it is empty, only then go to first lane. So if you keep on practicing this phenomena, that whenever you see a vehicle on the third lane and you are yourself in the second lane, try to come to the first, provided there is no traffic in the first lane. Okay, if there is no car coming from behind, you will find in this way you will remain a lot safer, because there will be a lot of distance between your car in first lane and the other car in the third lane. Always try to have some gap and some space. Thank you.